Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creativity, Fun and Life. I hope you all are doing well. I am here with my new creativity, so be with me and enjoy the creativity. And if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So in today's creativity, I am going to make beautiful sunset painting, and for this painting, I used acrylic colors. Follow this step by step and you can make this easily. If you like my video, please do like, comment and share with your family and friends. And here is the final look of my painting. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.